Okay, to delete feature parameters using tables in Excel, there's a pretty slick way to do this. And first, we're going to take a look here at a particular feature, and let's look at the type of things that we can delete. So most of the time, if you're dealing with a feature like this weld feature that's created by Creo, you do not want to really delete any of this stuff. But in this particular case, we actually have a user created uh, uh, parameter in here that we do want to get rid of. So um, I'm basically just going to use the parameter get function to kind of report out that information to a particular table here. So you can see here that prog number does exist across the two weld features that are in this within this table here. And to delete those, what we're going to do is we're just going to come in and put in a new function, param delete, using the table option for feature. And this requires item name, feature name, and param name. Okay, so even though we've written this table out using the get, you'll notice it has item name, feature name, and param name in it. So this table could actually use that other table as a reference. So I'm going to come in and say table, my table is the name of the table that's being used there. And I've commented these two records out here because we're just going to reference this table as to what to delete. So it's going to look at item name, feature name, and param name as something to delete. And then of course, because we are doing a modification like this, we want to uh, force a regeneration, and we're going to use the table to do that also. So I'm referencing the table for the delete operations as well as the regenerate of the content. So when we press the do it button, it has gone in and made those adjustments. We can verify those just by coming into our model here, and we're looking for, let me just sort these, and we're not seeing our prog number in here anymore. Just go check this other feature to make sure it also is taken care of, and we do not see it there either. So that's a basic example of how to use the param delete function using tables in NitroCell.